Welcome. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating and challenging unsolved problems in number theory, the ABC conjecture. It's a deceptively simple statement that, if proven, would have profound implications across mathematics. This conjecture beautifully connects the fundamental operations of addition and multiplication. So, what exactly is the ABC conjecture? It deals with three positive whole numbers, A, B, and C, that satisfy a plus B equals C. The conjecture states that for any such set of numbers that are coprime, meaning they share no common factors other than 1, C is usually less than the radical of ABC squared. In mathematical terms, C is less than the radical of ABC all squared. To fully grasp the ABC conjecture, we need to understand what the radical of a number is. The radical of n, denoted as rad n, is simply the product of all the distinct prime factors of n. The formula for the same is rad n equals the product of p subscript I. For instance, if we take the number 12, which can be expressed as 2 squared times 3, the radical of 12 would be 2 times 3, which equals 6. Let's illustrate the ABC conjecture with a simple example. Consider the equation 1 plus 8 equals 9. Here A is 1, B is 8, and C is 9. The radical of 1 times 8 times 9, which is the radical of 72, is 6. Therefore, radical of ABC squared is 6 squared, which is 36. Now, comparing C, which is 9, with radical of ABC squared, which is 36, we see that 9 is indeed less than 36, which satisfies the conjecture. The ABC conjecture is important because it connects addition and multiplication in unexpected ways. These two fundamental operations are the building blocks of arithmetic, and the conjecture suggests a deep relationship between them. Furthermore, the ABC conjecture, if proven, implies solutions to many other famous problems in number theory, including Fermat's last theorem for sufficiently large exponents. To further understand the ABC conjecture, mathematicians define the quality Q of A, B, C, which measures how exceptional a triple is. The quality of a triple A, B, C is defined as the log of C divided by the log of the radical of ABC. The higher the quality, the more exceptional the triple is considered. So, where does the ABC conjecture stand today? It has been verified for trillions of cases, and no counterexamples have ever been found. Despite this, the ABC conjecture still remains unproven. It is one of mathematics' greatest challenges. The difficulty in proving it stems from the subtle interplay between prime numbers and how they combine to form other numbers. In conclusion, the ABC conjecture is a simple inequality with profound implications for number theory. It bridges addition and multiplication. It remains a beautiful unsolved mystery, spurring mathematicians to explore the deepest connections within the world of numbers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.